Mikno TV.
Let's start ABC Phonics. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for boy. Ba. C for cat, C for cow. Ka. D for door, D for dog. Da. E for egg, E for elephant. A. F for frog, F for fish. Fa. G for girl, G for god. Ga. H for hen, H for hand. Ha. I for ice cream, I for ivy. E. J for jar, J for juice. Ja. K for kite, K for king. Ka. L for lion, L for lamp. La. M for mango, M for monkey. Ma. N for nest, N for nose. Na. O for orange, O for olive. O. P for peas, P for peacock. Pa. Q for queen, Q for quill. Ka. R for rat, R for rug. Ra. S for sun, S for sunflower. Sa. T for tiger, T for tomato. Ta. U for uncle, U for umbrella. V for volcano, V for violin. Va. W for wall, W for wheel. Va. X for xylophone, X for X-ray. Y for yarn, Y for yo-yo. Ya. Z for zebra, Z for zigzag. Z.